friends, how are you? My name is Goshan and you are watching my YouTube channel Updated Technology. So today in this video I will tell you how to get Spotify Premium for 3 months in zero cost. So let's begin today's video with our intro. So there are many useful features that you can access only after the buying of premium in Spotify. But if you want to buy premium of Spotify, you can buy that with your real money, and you can buy as your selected plan. That you can buy premium for 3 months, for 6 months, for 2 years, 1 years, as your wish, as you pay for it. So there are many useful features of premium, like ad free music. You will not interrupted with any ad in your favorite music, and you can also download any songs, unlimited songs which you want to do. So if you want to just get premium, you can go in premium section and you can purchase there by doing your transaction by with money, with UPI or with credit card or your debit card, as your wish, as your payment method you prefer to do. You can just buy here, but if you want to buy it for free, so it let me tell you, it is for only valid for 3 months and it is only for Xiaomi users. So let's begin. I will tell you how to claim it. So you have to just scroll down in premium section, and if you are opening this application on Xiaomi mobile, then only you can see this offer. Nobody else can see this. So you can, after clicking on the offer, you will make your payment here by UPI or your credit card, and you can enjoy. Or if you want this video's Hindi version, you can click on I button and you will get the Hindi version of this video, and enjoy, man. If you like the video, thanks, and subscribe our channel, set the bell icon on all. Bye guys, see you in the next video.